One of the most profound practices in spirituality, which has the power to transform your life, is shadow work. This practice doesn't involve any complex techniques, but delves deep into understanding yourself. Shadow work is the process of exploring the parts of ourselves that we often keep hidden, such as fears, desires, and suppressed emotions. These hidden aspects, known as the shadow, can significantly impact our lives if left unaddressed. By bringing these shadows to light, we can achieve true spiritual growth and live a more authentic life. In this video, we will uncover the importance of shadow work and how it can revolutionize your spiritual journey. If you don't address and integrate your shadow, your spiritual growth will be hindered. Without this inner work, external changes won't last. Ignoring the shadow can lead to recurring negative patterns, self-sabotage, and emotional turmoil. It's like trying to build a house on an unstable foundation. No matter how beautiful the exterior, the structure will always be at risk of collapse. For true spiritual growth, it's essential to face the shadow. This process may be uncomfortable, as it requires confronting parts of ourselves we may not like or even acknowledge. However, the rewards are immense. By integrating our shadow, we create a solid foundation for lasting change and personal transformation. Shadow work involves exploring the parts of ourselves that we often keep hidden, such as fears, desires, and suppressed emotions. These shadows influence our thoughts and behaviors without us realizing it. For instance, a person who fears rejection might avoid forming close relationships, missing out on meaningful connections. By identifying and understanding these shadows, we can begin to heal and integrate them into our conscious self. This process allows us to reclaim the parts of ourselves we've disowned, leading to greater self-acceptance and wholeness. To understand shadow work, it's important to know what the shadow is. The shadow is a term coined by psychologist Carl Jung, referring to the unconscious parts of our personality that we reject or deny. These aspects are often formed in childhood when we learn which behaviors and traits are acceptable and which are not. Over time, these rejected parts form the shadow. For example, if a child is taught that anger is unacceptable, they may suppress their anger, which then becomes part of their shadow. As adults, these suppressed emotions can influence our actions and reactions in ways we are not aware of. Shadow work is the process of bringing these unconscious aspects to light. It involves self-reflection, honesty, and a willingness to confront uncomfortable truths about ourselves. This process can be challenging, as it requires facing our deepest fears and insecurities. However, by doing so, we can begin to heal and integrate these aspects into our conscious self, leading to greater self-awareness and personal growth. When we ignore our shadow, it can manifest in unhealthy ways, such as negative patterns in relationships, self-sabotage, and emotional turmoil. For instance, someone who suppresses their anger might find themselves lashing out unexpectedly or feeling constantly irritable without understanding why. These unconscious behaviors can create a cycle of negative experiences, reinforcing the belief that we are not in control of our lives. Ignoring the shadow also prevents us from achieving true self-awareness. Without acknowledging these hidden parts, we can only see a partial picture of ourselves. This limited perspective can lead to feelings of confusion, frustration, and dissatisfaction. We might find ourselves repeating the same mistakes, unable to break free from harmful patterns. By facing our shadow, we can gain a deeper understanding of ourselves and break free from these cycles. Moreover, the shadow can affect our physical health. Suppressed emotions and unresolved conflicts can lead to stress, anxiety, and other health issues. Our bodies often manifest what our minds try to ignore. By addressing the shadow, we can improve not only our mental and emotional well-being, but also our physical health. The process of shadow work can be deeply healing, allowing us to release the burdens we've been carrying and move forward with greater clarity and peace. By embracing shadow work, you can achieve deeper self-awareness, heal past traumas, and unlock your true potential. Self-awareness is one of the most significant benefits of shadow work. By understanding our shadow, we become more aware of our triggers and patterns, allowing us to respond rather than react. This heightened awareness can improve our relationships, decision-making, and overall quality of life. Healing past traumas is another crucial benefit. Many of our shadows are formed as a result of past experiences and unresolved emotions. By bringing these shadows to light, we can address the underlying issues and begin to heal. This process can lead to emotional freedom and inner peace, allowing us to move forward without the weight of past traumas holding us back. Unlocking our true potential is perhaps the most transformative benefit of shadow work. By integrating our shadow, we become more authentic and empowered. We no longer need to hide parts of ourselves or live in fear of judgment. Instead, we can embrace our true selves and live in alignment with our values and desires. This authenticity can lead to greater fulfillment and success in all areas of life. Shadow work also enhances our relationships. By understanding and integrating our shadow, we become more compassionate and empathetic towards ourselves and others. We can communicate more effectively, resolve conflicts more peacefully, and build deeper, more meaningful connections. The process of shadow work not only transforms our inner world, but also has a profound impact on our external reality. The first key benefit of shadow work is increased self-awareness. By understanding your shadow, you become more aware of your triggers and patterns, allowing you to respond rather than react. For instance, you might notice that certain situations make you feel defensive or anxious. These reactions are often rooted in shadow aspects, such as past traumas or suppressed emotions. By recognizing these triggers, you can start to explore their origins and address them, rather than being controlled by them. Self-awareness is crucial for personal growth and development. It allows you to see yourself more clearly and understand why you behave in certain ways. This understanding can lead to better decision-making, improved relationships, and a greater sense of control over your life. When you are aware of your shadow, you can choose how to respond to situations rather than reacting out of unconscious patterns. This shift from reaction to response is empowering and can lead to significant positive changes in your life. Moreover, increased self-awareness helps you to live more authentically. When you understand your shadow, you no longer need to hide parts of yourself or pretend to be someone you are not. This authenticity can improve your relationships and enhance your overall well-being. People who are self-aware are often more confident, compassionate, and resilient, as they have a deeper understanding of themselves and their motivations. Shadow work allows you to heal past traumas by bringing them to the surface and addressing them directly. Many of our shadows are formed as a result of past experiences and unresolved emotions. These traumas can have a lasting impact on our mental, emotional, and physical well-being. By engaging in shadow work, you can begin to heal these wounds and release the burdens you've been carrying. Healing past traumas is a crucial step in the process of shadow work. It involves acknowledging the pain and emotions associated with these experiences and allowing yourself to feel and process them. This can be a challenging and emotional journey, but it is essential for true healing. By confronting these traumas, you can start to understand their impact on your life and begin to let go of the negative patterns they have created. The process of healing past traumas can lead to emotional freedom and inner peace. When you address and integrate your shadow, you release the hold that these past experiences have on you. This can result in a greater sense of calm, clarity, and overall well-being. Healing past traumas also allows you to move forward in your life without being held back by unresolved issues. You can create new, positive patterns and experiences, leading to a more fulfilling and joyful life. By integrating your shadow, you unlock your true potential. You become more authentic and empowered, aligning your actions with your true self. This authenticity allows you to live in alignment with your values and desires, leading to greater fulfillment and success in all areas of life. When you embrace your shadow, you no longer need to hide parts of yourself or live in fear of judgment. Instead, you can fully express who you are and pursue your goals with confidence. Unlocking your potential through shadow work involves recognizing and embracing all aspects of yourself, both light and dark. It means acknowledging your strengths and weaknesses, your desires and fears, and accepting them as part of who you are. This self-acceptance is empowering and can lead to significant personal growth. When you accept and integrate your shadow, you become more resilient and adaptable, able to navigate challenges and opportunities with greater ease. Living authentically and embracing your true self can also enhance your creativity and innovation. When you are not constrained by fear or self-doubt, you can explore new ideas and possibilities. This freedom to create and innovate can lead to new opportunities and successes in your personal and professional life. By unlocking your potential, you can achieve your goals and live a more fulfilling and meaningful life. Moreover, integrating your shadow can improve your relationships. When you are authentic and self-aware, you can communicate more effectively and build deeper, more meaningful connections with others. You become more compassionate and empathetic, able to understand and relate to others on a deeper level. This can lead to stronger, healthier relationships and a greater sense of connection and belonging. Starting shadow work involves self-reflection, journaling, and possibly seeking guidance from a therapist or spiritual mentor. Begin by identifying your shadow aspects and working through them one by one. Self-reflection is the first step in this process. Take time to sit quietly and think about the aspects of yourself that you might be avoiding or denying. This could be anything from suppressed emotions, fears, desires, or even certain behaviors that you are not proud of. Journaling is an effective tool for shadow work. Write down your thoughts, feelings, and experiences related to your shadow aspects. This can help you to process and understand them better. Ask yourself questions like, what parts of myself do I find difficult to accept? Or what emotions do I tend to suppress? By answering these questions honestly, you can start to uncover your shadow. Seeking guidance from a therapist or spiritual mentor can also be beneficial. They can provide you with support and tools to navigate the shadow work process. It's important to remember that shadow work is a journey, and it's okay to seek help along the way. This process can be challenging, but with persistence and support, you can achieve significant personal growth and healing. The process of shadow work requires commitment and patience. It's not something that can be done quickly or superficially. True shadow work involves a deep and ongoing exploration of the self. You must be willing to confront uncomfortable truths and be open to change. This commitment to self-discovery and growth is essential for effective shadow work. Staying committed to shadow work means regularly dedicating time to self-reflection and journaling. Make it a part of your daily or weekly routine. Consistency is key to making progress. Over time, you will start to see changes in your thoughts, behaviors, and overall well-being. Remember that shadow work is a journey, not a destination. It requires ongoing effort and dedication. Patience is also crucial in the shadow work process. Healing and integrating your shadow takes time. Be gentle with yourself and recognize that it's okay to take things slowly. Progress may be gradual, but each step you take brings you closer to greater self-awareness and personal growth. Celebrate your achievements, no matter how small they may seem. Shadow work is a powerful tool for transforming your life. By addressing and integrating your shadow, you can achieve greater self-awareness, heal past traumas, and unlock your true potential. This process allows you to live more authentically and in alignment with your values and desires. It can lead to significant improvements in your relationships, mental and emotional well-being, and overall quality of life. One of the most profound transformations that can occur through shadow work is a shift in your perspective. As you become more aware of your shadow, you start to see the world and yourself in a new light. This shift in perspective can lead to greater empathy, compassion, and understanding towards yourself and others. You begin to recognize that everyone has a shadow and that addressing it is a crucial part of the human experience. Another significant transformation is the ability to break free from negative patterns and behaviors. By understanding the root causes of these patterns, you can start to make conscious choices that align with your true self. This can lead to a greater sense of control over your life and a more fulfilling and joyful existence. The process of shadow work empowers you to take charge of your destiny and create the life you truly desire. Shadow work is essential for spiritual growth. By acknowledging and integrating your shadow, you transform your inner world, leading to lasting external changes. The benefits of shadow work are profound, including increased self-awareness, healing past traumas, and unlocking your true potential. This process requires commitment and patience, but the rewards are immense. You can achieve greater authenticity, improved relationships, and a deeper sense of fulfillment and joy in life. Embarking on the journey of shadow work is a courageous and transformative act. It allows you to confront and heal the parts of yourself that you may have been avoiding, leading to greater wholeness and self-acceptance. As you continue to explore and integrate your shadow, you will find that you are more resilient, compassionate, and empowered to navigate life's challenges and opportunities. Remember, shadow work is a journey, not a destination. It requires ongoing effort and dedication, but each step you take brings you closer to a more authentic and fulfilling life. I hope this exploration of shadow work inspires you to start your own journey. If this video resonated with you, please like and subscribe to our channel. Share this video with others who might benefit from this message, and leave a comment below with your thoughts and experiences. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.